Honorable Education Minister Shafqat Mahmood Saab, foreign delegates and local speakers, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. It is a very special day today. Asfar and the Nutshell Conferences team have collaborated with the Martin Dow Group to organize the 4th edition of this remarkable Future Summit, so we can stand tall against the odds of the future. There is no going back. 2020 has brought us a lot of adversities, but there were several new learnings as well. Even though we have been cautious for the past 9 months, now it's time to move forward with confidence. We need to be well equipped to protect ourselves from the virus, but we shouldn't let fear take over us. Thank you everyone for being careful and courageous. I am elated to see all of you here today. Your determination inspired us to take this bold step of making the Future Summit a reality. I would like to begin by acknowledging our healthcare workers who have been on the front line fighting this highly contagious virus. Doctors, nurses, attendants, hospital management teams, and other stakeholders from the healthcare sector who risked their own lives to save millions. I cannot thank our essential but vulnerable heroes enough who haven't stopped fighting COVID since its outbreak. Moreover, I would also like to thank our corporate sector, the organizations and the people who ensured that their employees weren't made redundant during this prevalent economic crisis. Thank you, friends, for such an imperative gesture. Since there is no going back, it's time to live important and meaningful lives, where we can not only benefit ourselves, but others around us. Social distancing and other SOPs are here to stay for a while, and it will transform our way of life, in some ways, forever. If we decide to move forward with courage and without fear, we will emerge stronger, wiser, and more humane than before. We need to absorb the lessons that we have learned while transitioning to the new normal. We have adapted and we have persevered. There is no backing down now. It is now time to gear up for the future. 2020 has taught us that the future is unpredictable. Therefore, we need to be prepared. The pandemic has changed the playing field and brought forward several new rules. This year was filled with countless catastrophes, from social unrest to climate change to the pandemic. This year was overwhelming for each one of us. But we survived it. And if we are proactive, focused, and resilient, we can easily face the future. Today, we are equipped with improved technology, greater intelligence, joint experiences, and a strong online space. We only need passion and hard work to withstand the barrage of the unknown. I request you all to put together your extraordinary experiences, your sound skills, and most importantly, your belief to make this world a safer place for future generations to thrive upon. We are here with an astute blend of international and local talent to reshape the future post-pandemic. And I'm certain that this Future Summit will be an enriching and transformative time which we will remember for years to come. This is the year 2020. Our world has survived many centuries, and with divine help will survive many more. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful time at this monumental summit. Thank you.